Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the language settings on Twitter for PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your content language. To begin, click on the More icon located on the top navigation bar of your Twitter account. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, within the Settings menu, click on the Accessibility, Display, and Languages tab to access language-related settings. Click on the Languages option to proceed with selecting your preferred language settings. Choose between Select Additional Languages or Languages you may know, based on your language preferences. Make your language selections by following the on-screen prompts. You may be required to enter your password for security verification. Once you have made your language choices, click on Done to save the changes and apply the new language settings to your Twitter account. By following these steps, you can easily customize the content language on Twitter for PC to enhance your user experience and engagement with the platform. Thank you for watching our tutorial on changing the language settings on Twitter. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials to optimize your social media experience.